Hello everybody, it's Derek Freeze. Here's a 52-inch Harbor Breeze rocket from 2006. Just picked this up on Facebook Marketplace. And that's a truck. I paid 30 beans for it. They originally wanted 50. I was able to talk them down, which was actually extremely easy for once. Not really sure what my plans for this are going to be. I think I'm going to modify the light kit so it actually has actual bulbs in there and put some different shades on there so it looks a bit more presentable, and then this will most likely go up in my bedroom in place to Westminster, maybe. I'm not sure yet. Just up here for testing purposes. This is actually the first time I've ever turned this thing on or messed with it when I originally had it on. Originally when I plugged it in, the light was on and it was running in downdraft on medium speed, but I quickly turned it off. At least I think it's in downdraft. I want to make sure everything's going the right way. I guess the first thing we'll do is we'll do low speed. This fan's made by Westinghouse. I'm going to turn off this other fan over here so I can actually get an idea of how much air it moves. Somehow it doesn't seem to be moving that much. I really like how the blades on this fan look. That's one of the reasons why I wanted one of these. Of course it hums. I was putting off some air in medium. Wobbles a bit. It's not bad, it just hums. That's really the only thing I can see wrong with it. I remembered someone telling me at one point in time that these don't move any air at all. This thing's actually pretty good. It's about roughly the same as my Eatington. Oh, I like how that looks. That looks cool. I think there's a bulb out in there. Yes, there is. There's two bulbs out. On this side, it looks like the two others on this side are doing fine. Is there just three bulbs in there? I can't tell. It looks like there's only three. Pull it again. These should light up. These have little LEDs inside. Be cool to see this in the dark. Well, I have no idea what that did. Oh, the light bulb in the motor housing just burned out. The last one. So it gotta have three in there. At least that's what I think. Spin down, I guess. I don't even think I have any other. Well, I have a few other ceiling fans I guess I could put up and show, but I'm a bit lazy to do so. The blades on this fan look really cool. On a camera, it's kind of hard to see because you're getting a lot of I see a lot of reflection on the camera from the light, but in real life you can't really actually see the outline of the blades. I can really just see like the blue part. It's very weird. I'm gonna do 0 to high after this, I think. I'm going to turn off the air conditioner so I can actually hear this thing, how bad the hum on this is, because I'm curious. It's awfully quiet in here. Bearings on this are really good. Like, there's no other fans on in here that could be helping it. Or actually, there is another fan on that's running in reverse, but it's on low speed, so I don't think it would have of much use. Hopefully this can spin down faster, because I really want to do a 0 to high. The blades could do to be cleaned a bit better as well. I will mention that. The hum on this fan is not as bad as I remembered it to be, or at least how it was originally. It's very subtle. Yeah, I will say this is actually a pretty good fan. It's impressive. I like it. It's a weird design, and it looks cool. So, thank you very much for watching, and keep the breeze.